Global food giant General Mills sees significant opportunities to grow its ice cream business in China, given the market's importance and strategic position. According to Peter Everett, Vice President of General Mills International Marketing, the company will continue to invest and bring new products into the Chinese market.
We see that there's significant opportunity to grow our ice cream business in China. We grew last year in the market in a very challenging environment with the pandemic dynamics that we saw. And now that we are exiting the pandemic, our business has really started to grow in an explosive way. And Chinese consumers are particularly demanding about quality and innovation. So we feel like our brand and what we do actually fits really well with what a consumer in China is looking for. So we're continuing to invest, continuing to bring new products into the market, and continuing to also find new ways to satisfy consumers. You know, consumers in China have become much more digital over the last few years. So part of our goal is to find new ways to engage consumers digitally across China.
Known for its Häagen-Dazs products, General Mills locates its Chinese headquarters in Shanghai.